Setting up a VPN on a console can be a bit more tricky compared to other devices like computers or phones, but after watching this video, you will know everything about how to use Surfshark VPN on your gaming console. But before we begin, you should know that there are two ways to set up a VPN on a console. The first one is to set up a VPN-supported router and have it share the VPN connection to your console. This of course requires a router that has VPN support. Want to find out if your router supports it? Click on this card here. Besides securing your console, the router option is also great since it also secures other devices as well. Everything that's connected to the router will be protected. No app, no anything, just connect to your router and you're all set. This method is great, but it isn't without its drawbacks. The lack of features like clean web and bypasser may be alarming, and it also has slower internet speeds. My tip would be to always use a wired connection when gaming, as it will provide better ping and speeds. Sure, wires are not attractive by any means, but hey, if that means I'll get a better chance to win a match against my opponents, then why not? Another method to set up your console with a VPN is to use a Windows PC to create a VPN hotspot. But bear in mind, this only works with a PC and not a Mac. The good news is that it's easy to set up, and we have a whole video about it here. Compared to the router method, the advantages are that it's more likely that you have a Windows PC rather than a VPN router. Additionally, the speeds are much better. And that's all you need to know on how to set up a VPN on a console. I hope that this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And now that you have set up your console, why not set up your TV as well? For that, click on this video right beside me. That's all from me. Take care.